Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I speak about personal improvement and wastage business. Why about personal improvement is, in whatever field you are, in whatever age you are, as a person, if you not grow, if you not groom yourself, your personality, you're not going to be successful and happy. So, I stress a lot on personal improvement. What all points I learn, I just share with you, which I believe they helped me. I wanted to talk today about sadness, the topic of sadness, because I came across many people and many YouTube channels where they ask to be happy and you are sad. We need to tell ourselves be happy, even though you are in a sad situation. I don't feel that is correct, so I want to give my logic and see if it is useful for you. Sadness is also any other emotion like happiness. You feel sad when you have some loss, experience some loss. It may be loss of a relative or a friend or a family member or someone whom you admire of, whom you like. So it is natural to feel sad. You may feel sad when there is a strain in your relationship with someone, your family ones, dear ones. You may feel sad when you lose money or you lose a project where you spent a lot of your time and energy, where you did a lot of hard work. You may feel sad when you lose a job or reduce in business due to this corona time. You may feel sad when there is a health issue in a family member where it is costing a lot or unable to treat properly. A farmer feels sad if he loses his crop or if he does not get proper return on investment. A student may feel sad and is unable to get proper marks, unable to understand the subject, and expectations of him are very high, or else there is a dispute between classmates, friendship. Why I am saying sadness is okay? Because it's helping you. What I mean is, if you have some injury, if you have fallen down, you get pain. So it is telling you there is some damage, you have to take care of it. Similarly, sadness is also saying it's an emotion. It is alarming you there is some problem. Correct it. Give focus to that area. Is it not? If there is a relationship issue, you need to focus on improving your communication skill, sort out the problems, understand is there any problem with you or is the problem with the other person. You can explain them, express them. If everything is possible, sort out. If it's not going to be sorted, better be away, limit yourself. If the relationship is giving you negative impact, better to avoid the person. And if unable to avoid, keep in limitation to the point of necessity only. That is one solution. You may be feeling sad when the other person judges you, keep on judging, saying you may not be able to achieve whatever you are very foolish, you cannot become big in your life. So rather than feeling bad, focus on what are the skills you have, what are the strengths you have, what are the positive things you already have, what are the things you need to improve yourself to make yourself better, how to set your goals, how to plan yourself, how to discipline, what are the areas, new trends going on in the market where you can earn money if it's a financial issue. Upgrade yourself, find mentors, do some courses, do some self improvement, focus on your English vocabulary skills, public speaking skills, communication, negotiation skills. You can read newspaper every day half an hour aloud, anything, book, anything. It will help you a lot to reduce the stress or come out of the sadness. That is one point. A student or any person of any age can focus on their passion to improve their skills or interests so that they can have some diversion like painting, dancing, or artwork, or learn some skill on the internet. About the internet, so much of information is there. You can learn something which enriches you, make you more successful, utilize your time and energy. Suppose a farmer, sadness says, next time he has to be very careful. He might have already have a lot of debts, and now he is having loss of crop. So what to do, which crop to be next sowed, and whom to take advice of scientists or people who are already successful. What may be in demand in next season, what will be the seasonal situation at that time, which crop is better. So many, we need to find the people who are able to give proper advice, find out the right people, search on the net. If you have any loss in your business, so it's time to rethink of the business model, strategy, tactics. So what is the future of the industry? Is it going to be improved, or you need to think of it alternative? Are there any improvements you can make in your business model, or you can enter into any other business? So you need to think of. Your sadness is saying already you are investing a lot of hard work, energy and time, but still your sad means there is something problem there. You need to find some coach, business coach. There are many people now, recently we are seeing, because of PUBG and Rummy games, they are going into debts, they are addicted and incurring huge losses. They need to improve themselves. They need to engage in some productive activity, join some organization, do some part-time work, part-time business like network marketing, wastage business. You are welcome. If you want to join me, my number is in the description. Or any other part-time work which you are comfortable, which is available in your area, particular area. Some of my friends are doing part-time dry fruits business, red chili powder business, something they come out of innovative thoughts. You need to know where to cut yourself to prevent further losses and rotate yourself into productivity. In case of relationship issues, if it is very essential, needed, the situation is severe, you can approach a counselor, get some counseling, or understand the limits of each other, respect, mutual respect. Health issues, finding out where is the best availability of healthcare based on your budget. One of my friend is maintaining a database of hospitals where the treatment he can give advice of proper hospitals, right time, where the insurance is covered properly, where they do charge minimum reasonable good treatment. Like that, find someone who can give proper advice, or you can search in the internet, in newspapers, any other media, to focus on what is your necessity. Natural remedies, alternative medicine, wastage as healthcare supplements, wonderful supplements. They will improve your health situation and prevent further recurrence of health issues. So many alternatives are there you can think of. You want to know about Vestige Health supplements, you can contact me. My number will be in the description. All are natural supplements, organic only. There may be issues with in-laws, so understand how to deal with the people, your relatives, friends. Sort out the issues or limit your conversations, limit the topics. It's better. Students, one of my friend, instead of going into 10 plus 2, he joined his child in a polytechnic where there is less competition and he could achieve computer science. So based on his budget he could find the alternative. So you can also understand like that. Maybe your child is not fit for engineering or medicine, and you can think of other opportunities. There are so many courses available nowadays: fashion designing, interior designing, chef, becoming hotel chef. So many great opportunities are coming up. So you need to think of it. Aviation. Learning to do some activities like yoga, meditation, at least 10 minutes to half an hour every day help you come out of your sadness. Spending some time the people you love, your family members, relatives, parents, or watching some video which uplifts you, or listening to music will help you a lot to come out of fast. The point is how fast you can rebound of the mood, the situation, the sadness situation, and take action, start taking action. That is the key. If you are passionate about improving yourself, there are so many books that you can go through based on your interests. Improve yourself, enrich you, learn something which makes you better, feel better. Have a nice sleep, do some exercise, drink proper amount of water. These all also play important role. You may feel happy or come out of sadness if you have come across anyone who is in similar situation or who is having problem where you can help them. Helping others really reduces your sadness. It will help you to feel better when someone shows the gratitude for the help you did, maybe financial or physical, anything. Nowadays many people need a lot of help in this corona situation. You can join in any organization, Blue Cross, Red Cross, any local organization which participates in community work, community help. You can learn something and you can tell something, whatever you know, you are master of. It helps you boost your confidence, improves your network, find new people, find out people who are with your similar wavelength, understand, build relationship if possible, good community. Like you and me, all successful people come across same sadness situation. They might have seen more number of situations like this. But how are they successful, do you think? How have they become so successful? Though they are in a sad situation or a low mood situation, they come out of it very fast. They will find out some means to come out of that low energy level very fast, bounce back. And they also see that their daily activity or productivity activities are not impacted by their mood. What is needed, it has to be done irrespective of your mood. That is one thing you have to understand and improve yourself. Your important things, activities, productive things should not be impacted by your negative mood or low moodness, sadness. They should not disturb you in fulfilling your responsibilities, in achieving your goals and dreams. That is very important. Whatever situation you are, you will have some responsibilities to take care of people or your family, your society, or your team members, because you cannot avoid them, you cannot ignore them. You are still unable to concentrate or focus, better to take a small break from your activities. Go outside for a one day or 1 or 2 hours or half an hour. Just involve in some activity, physical. It will also help you, physical or mental, or reading a book or doing some chess or just watching a small comedy video or whatever you like. It will also help you. Or if you are able to take yourself off, go on a small vacation. You need to understand the consequences. What is the impact if you are going to be in the situation continuously? What is the damage? What is the impact it is going to cause on you, on your relatives? How much time it will take to recover the damage? So these all things, if you are able to analyze, it will help you come out of it fast. Reset the situation, your mood buttons. You can change in the situation where you are, if possible. If it is causing you all the negative effects, if you are able to focus, so see, reduce disturbance in whatever area you are. See that sanctity. Physical area, it is also very important. Get some fresh air, some sunlight every day, morning and evening if possible. It will also help you. Take some doctor help if needed, or psychiatric help if needed, counselor. When you are sad situation, if you just feel I want to be happy, I am happy, I don't know, it works like that. When you are really sad situation, how can you just tell lies to yourself? I am happy, all is well. I don't know how it works. Check out if it works for you. But when you are sad, you will be in a calm situation. You will settle, your mind will settle down, peaceful. Let it mellow, let it imbibe. After some time, you will make it, the emotion will make you more mature. It will be making you more mature person, strong, resilient in future. I think you might have understood the feeling. I hope these points will be help you, and I wish all of you all the best. If you are interested in vestige business, you can contact me. My number in the description. It's you can do part time or full time. Anyone who want to improve their skills, who need some extra money, who need good healthcare products, natural products, and even whatever you are buying already for your household, what are needed like personal care, home care, kitchen different things which are needed for you in the kitchen. So many things are there: atta, rice, everything, cosmetics, agricultural products, everything are there in the vestige business. So just by promoting yourself, promoting these products, you get a lot of money, and you will protect your health, improve your health. You can become a good customer if you want. Products are very high quality, high standard, and if you promote them, you can get a lot of things from the business plan. You can do from anywhere. It's not like selling any product. Company has a lot of branches all over world, all over India. in 6 countries. It's still expanding. Just by referring your friends, they'll get an ID. You can talk to me how to do the business. You can expand and travel all over the world to travel fund. You can achieve car, different multiple cars as your business grows, and house fund is there. You can create a passive income. You can build a business for your second generation also. The money and the business you are doing now is for 2 generations. So if you want to know further details, you can contact me if you're interested. I wish all of you happy and successful, fantastic life. Bye bye. Take care.